Dear all, welcome to the playlist of verbal ability. In this video, I will be discussing most important questions which can be expected for competitive examination in the area of antonyms. You know what is antonyms? Antonym is the opposite meaning. Okay, there is a word just opposite. So we have to identify the antonyms. Here I am going to give an exercise. First of all, I am going to provide a one single word. So you need to identify the antonyms, which is the right antonyms, and also I will be giving some tips also. So first of all, go through the go through different questions. So there are 10 questions. Identify the antonyms. Second question, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. There are 10 questions. So let me scroll down. So you can pause the video and mark the right answer. Once I am going to discuss, you can verify the answers. So no need to by heart everything. There are some techniques you can able to find out the right answer that I will let you know. Okay, let's have a discussion on that. So moving on to the first question. Amendable. Identify the opposite meaning of amenable. So manageable, controllable, receptive, awkward. So see, A, B, C all are having similar word meaning. Suppose I don't know the word meaning of amenable, but I compare the options. See, manageable, controllable, receptive all are having the similar word meaning. Okay, so that is similar to amenable. So finally I conclude that the option D, that is just opposite to amenable. So awkward. Awkward is the right answer for amenable. So likewise you can have a try on that. Decreed. Find out the opposite word meaning of decreed. So order, command, rule, revoke. See, order, command, rule all are having similar word meaning. But the thing is revoke, just opposite to that order. Or you can call command, opposite to that of command. Obviously, that will be opposite to that of decreed. So I am going to select option D. Option D is the right answer. Hope you are getting my point. Moving on to the third point. So find out the opposite of manifest. Plain, apparent, hidden. See, clear, plain, apparent all are having similar word meaning. So obviously, I feel that, I am confirming that the opposite of manifest will be hidden. Manifest will be actually, the word meaning is very much evident or clear. You can go ahead with such meaning. So definitely the opposite to that of manifest will be hidden. Discussing on question number 4, rational, philosophy, psychiatry, coherent, unrealistic. Okay, which is the right answer? That means philosophy, psychiatry, coherent all are having similar word meaning. Obviously, the opposite to that of rational will be option D, unrealistic. So I have to select option D. Question number 5. You can see one word, important word meaning, majestic. What is the opposite meaning of majestic? Sublime, august, exalted, distress. So sublime, august, exalted all are having the positive meaning. So majestic, it is similar to majestic, positive word meaning. But the thing is, the distress is having negative word meaning. So I am going to choose option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 5. Superstition. So like myth, superstition, myth, you know the word meaning of superstition. Similar to myth, word meaning of myth. Credulity, sorcery, witchcraft, science. Definitely these word meaning are similar. A, B, C all are similar word meaning. The thing is, the science will be entirely opposite with the myth or superstition. I am going to choose option D. Option D is the right answer for question number 6. Question number 7, discord. So you identify the opposite word meaning of discord. So discord, what is the opposite word meaning? Strife, conflict, disagreement, hostility. See, strife, conflict, disagreement all are having similar word meaning. So that means that is similar to the word meaning of discord. But the hostility, that is entirely opposite to that of discord. So I am going to choose option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 8, oblivious. So identify the opposite word meaning of oblivious. Can you able to have a guess? Oblivious, unaware, unconscious, heedless, mindful. See, by looking at the answer, what you feel. So, according to me, so by looking at the answer, it is evidently says that unaware. Then we can say that unconscious, unconsciousness, unaware. Okay, unconscious, unaware, etc. All are having what I can say similar meaning. Heedless, all are having the same meaning. But the mindful is actually entirely opposite. So this is actually entirely opposite to that of oblivious. So unaware, unconscious, heedless are negative meanings only, but mindful is positive. Obviously, I have to choose mindful. Option D is the correct answer. Likewise, you can able to proceed. So many of the 90% of the answer will be right only. Question number 9. So you have to find out the opposite word meaning of accomplish. Fulfill, satisfy are the word meaning of accomplish. Fulfill, then achieve, attain, but the give up, abandon, that will be entirely opposite word meaning of accomplish, abandon or give up. So I am going to choose D, option D for question number 9. Let's discuss about question number 10. So find out the correct answer for the question number 10. Affirmation. What is the opposite word meaning of affirmation? Proclamation, declaration, statement, denial. Okay. Proclamation, statement, declaration, all are having similar word meaning. Affirmation. But denial, just like a rejection, the word meaning of denied or denial, that will be the rejection. So opposite to that of affirmation, that will be obviously denial. I am going to select option D. So hope you have got the answer of all the 10 questions, and I think you can able to manage these kind of verbal ability questions during competitive examination also. If you are having any questions related to this topic, you can put up in the comment box. So please share, watch the video completely, and subscribe my video. If the video is really fruitful for you, so kindly share with your friends, those who are really preparing for various competitive examinations. So I would like to thank you for your continuous support.